Hello, I'm going to do the exercise 3 and for the first step I already finished. I downloaded the test3.java file and this file in my this directory. So now I will go to the step 2 to test this file. No, so I will explain the line by line of the test3.java. I already opened this file here. So basically, in this file, first it declares 6 different string. First string is to drop the table if there is a table students exist. And the second one is to create a table named student and including 4 different columns, column ID, column name, address, and status. And also there is a primary key in SID. So the third string is to insert to the table with value question mark, question mark, question mark. So and the SQL4 string is to insert the student named John Liu to the table. And for string SQL5 is to update student the table student if there is a student named Seyoung Lu, and the SQL string 6 SQL6 is to delete the record from this table student where there is a name called Seyoung Lu. And then it is trying to connect to the MySQL databases and log in as John, and the password is this one. I think this is wrong. I'm gonna to change to the right one. So I'm gonna just save it. Maybe later. So and then it's going to execute the update the table. First is SQL1 is to drop the table, and then to create the table, and then insert the table with the question mark, and then to update the record in with these different values to replace the question mark here. And then to execute string 4 to update to insert the student table another record. So and then to query from the table select from students, and then display it, and then execute the SQL5 that is update the table with these values to the table, and then also to print out this string, and then and then query from the table, and then update the table again, delete that is delete from the table where the through the name is Seiyong Lu. So and then display the record in the student table again. So yeah, that is basically what this one this function doing. So yeah, and about the red result set, this function that the first one is get in ID, that is get the retrieve the integer from the column ID because this ID the data type is integer, so use the get integer to get the value from the current row. And also get a string like name, address, status. All of this database data type are strings, so we use the get a string function to retrieve the data which is stored in these columns. So yeah, that is basically the what the test3 the Java file doing. Now we are going to do to save it and test the file. Okay, just use the Control+S and then I'm going to test the file and command the prompt and cd cd yeah, and then use the command in the exercise 3. First, I'm gonna to compile the file. It's good, and they're going to next one. There is, yeah, it shows the correct result here as first print the result from the table. There is two different records before update and delete. So it is working well. So this is the exercise 3. Thank you.